Costa Records.
You know the name is Jay Costa. You know the fame, he is riding, rolling like a roller coaster. Man with no shame and big dick syndrome. Mess with me, lame, willing to kill with Magnum. Don't have a gun, no bullet rain, so I'll just blind you with powder talcum. Yeah, I wish for me she would come. Even this bitch sober, no vodka or rum. Oh, you thought I was done? No, I'm not, do not run. Spend times and fines, I am still sick. This is good shit, no bullshit. My rhymes and beat are so sick. You find turning up to it, especially when the liquor still kick. You can feel the hammer of the kick. I am Tim but I like girl stick. I do grin cause that's a match, cause opposites attack. That's the ass that I would tail pin. On the second thought I like average exact. She could be my friend, part of the pack. I'm a bang bro, my music banging like banging hoes. I'm wild though, that's how I go. If you're not wearing Air Force Ones or J's, what are those? I dress swaggy and at the same time classy. Kinda sassy cause I want to get what I want. I'm so bossy but with leadership quality. I work hard, I party hard, that's the reality. Don't mess with me cause I have anxiety. I might go crazy but my fighting spirit is tasty. I go for the kill without thinking, even without a pill my mind sinking. I am so thrilled making you cringing, I hope you're still listening. My bars fire, they are 100 bars. I don't get tired, throat will never get SARS. Mouth drives smoother than them cars. I am bomber than them sinisters. Allahu Akbar. I will never stop till I get so far, till I get to the top like them stars. You can see the debris of the performance in the ball. Yeah, that was me along the crowd, see my rhymes are tall. People didn't flee, they listen indeed, they went for the fall. Bars were dropping, peeps were wild, and you know who's poppin'. If you miss me, I'm free, just give me a call. You could book me in your events, price is good deal, but it depends how far is the place and whatever's the case. But truly I'll show shows that are intense.